a cone, I'll slice it at an angle.
The cross-section is oval. See? Nail 2 nails on both sides of the guard. Use a string, put the pen in, and tighten. Draw the line smoothly. Add black points. Maintain the tightness of the string. Draw a complete circle around like this. See? Drew an oval with ease. Those 2 nails are the foci of the oval. Shoot a laser between the 2 focal points. No matter how many times the light is reflected by the oval. All light is always between the 2 focal points. The initial laser is outside the focus. No matter how many times the light is reflected. All light will not pass through the area between the 2 foci. The laser emits light in all directions from the center of the focus. After reflection, will eventually reach the other focus. Let's use this principle to play billiards. Wouldn't that be a sure shot? Let's get to it. It's the same operation as before. First, draw a larger oval. Use this oval to make a sure shot billiard table. Following the drawn lines, use a jigsaw to cut out the oval. Don't need the oval, just the frame. Polish the burrs clean. Measure the diameter of the billiard ball. Prop up the frame. The height should be half the size of the billiard ball. Now it's a wooden ball, so the billiard ball won't bounce at all. If that doesn't work, cut the rubber tube. Later, give it an edge. It should bounce now. Even the intersection points need to be drilled. Make a mark. One focus needs to be marked with a compass to draw a circle that is slightly larger than the size of the billiard ball. Or use a curve to cut out the ball hole.
The fabric is cut according to the lines on the frame.
Tears on the tabletop. Carefully apply the shoe glue. The 2 of them lay the tablecloth together. Press it flat with both hands. Then roll it again. Press down on the ball pocket. Nail a net under the hole. Saw a pile of wooden blocks of the same thickness. Apply glue. Glue a whole circle around the graffiti-shaped frame. Cover the cap bowl. Wait for it to dry. Pierce the focal point. Mark it well.
Let's try the effect of the service point. Come on, again.
That's not right. It's different from what I thought. Found the reason. The ball brushed the edge. It jumped up. Did you see it? It flew up. I added another layer to the height of the frame.
It's already over half the ball.
Still not quite right. I feel like as soon as it's higher, this ball can graze the edge of the hole. See? Still a little short. No matter how I hit it, it won't go in. Maybe the table surface isn't level. Put it on the ground and try again. Go in the hole.
You still can't do it.
Maybe the rubber strips are the problem. The elasticity is too high. I changed to these professional rubber strips again. It feels different now. The ball won't bounce around. The manual precision is still not enough. Use a computer to draw the diagram. Then use a laser cutter to process the plywood. It can achieve precise control of the dimensions. These strips are the pool table's frame. Cutting complete in more than an hour. Glue to fit the billiard cloth. Then nail it down. You can brace it by yourself. Fix it by yourself. Better to operate. Spray some water on the wrinkled areas. Then iron it. It will be very smooth. Find the right position. Set the holes and pockets. Start assembling the frame. Find a group. Apply glue and secure. Be sure to align the edges. Stick it on the panel. Clamp and dry the frame. Apply contact cement. The edges are the same. Apply the glue evenly. Before the glue dries, quickly stick the edges to the frame. Clip it with clamps. Let it dry. Apply it all over the frame. Wood glue, including the corner supports, apply it all. The panel is also dry. It's done once it's covered. This corner pit is the starting point.
Try a shot.
The ball went in. This shot's a guaranteed success. Finally, I won. Now it's fine. Hit it however you want. Always a perfect shot. See? As long as you shoot from the focal point. It doesn't matter how you spin it. You can pocket the ball even with your eyes closed. You can also mark out the focal points. Shoot from any position. As long as the ball passes through the focal point.
It will land perfectly in the pocket in the end.